What if the Byzantine Empire reclaimed Rome? Ever wondered what the world would look like if the Byzantine Empire had truly restored Roman glory? Buckle up, history buffs, because we're diving into a fascinating what-if scenario that could have rewritten the course of civilization. Justinian I, the ambitious Byzantine emperor, launched a massive campaign to reclaim lost Roman territories in the 6th century. He envisioned a reunited Roman Empire, stretching from the sands of North Africa to the misty shores of Britain. His armies achieved significant victories, retaking North Africa, Italy, and parts of Spain. But what if Justinian's successors had maintained and expanded these gains, fully integrating Rome and the West into the Byzantine fold? A reunited Roman Empire under Byzantine rule would have been a powerhouse. Imagine the combined wealth of the East and West flowing into Constantinople, fueling innovation and military might. This economic and military strength could have dramatically altered the balance of power in Europe and the Mediterranean. A unified empire would have been far more resilient against external threats. The Byzantine Empire preserved much of classical Greek and Roman knowledge. With a stronger connection to the West, this knowledge could have spread more rapidly. Could this have sparked the Renaissance centuries earlier? Imagine Leonardo da Vinci building flying machines in the 13th century, inspired by Byzantine engineering and classical texts. The Byzantine Empire acted as a buffer between Europe and the expanding Islamic caliphates. A stronger, unified Roman Empire might have altered the course of Islamic expansion. Perhaps a more powerful Byzantine presence could have fostered a different kind of dialogue between Christianity and Islam, leading to a more peaceful coexistence, or perhaps a prolonged and even more devastating conflict. The Ottoman Empire's rise posed a mortal threat to the Byzantine Empire, culminating in the fall of Constantinople in 1453. But a stronger, unified Roman Empire might have been able to withstand the Ottoman advance. A revitalized Roman army, fueled by Western resources, could have pushed back the Ottomans, preserving Byzantine culture and influence for centuries to come. The implications for the modern world are staggering. Imagine a world where the Roman Empire never truly fell, but simply transformed. A world where classical learning flourished uninterrupted, and where East and West remained united under a single banner. This alternate history offers a tantalizing glimpse into what could have been, a world shaped by a resilient and unified Roman Empire. It's a world of endless possibilities and profound historical implications. This is just the beginning of our exploration into this fascinating what-if scenario. What are your thoughts? How else might a reunited Roman Empire have changed the course of history? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow history enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking historical explorations. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. We want to hear your theories and ideas, so join the conversation and let's explore history together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.